The top 5 zombie game of 2020. Let's start. In our list, the number 1 is Death Effect 2. The Death Effect is one of the most popular zombie shooter series and awesome zombie action game. The second version is no exception. It has been downloaded 5 lakhs plus times from the Play Store. It was released on October 2015 by Apple. In this game, you will be crushing tons of zombies, monsters, and other deadly characters. The game comes with some RPG elements that help you to upgrade your character and turn into an ultimate zombie killing machine. There are also huge amount of weapons, almost more than 50 or 40 deadly weapons. If you are looking for a great zombie killing game, zombie action game, then this is your first choice.
Luckily, it doesn't have any orders concerning you, so it let you go. But it raised the alarm. Go to the generator, quickly! I'm sorry for the complication, but there was no other way. More Russian soldiers are coming for us right now. I had to find a way to keep them busy. So I've short-circuited the containment and let those monstrosities out. We'll deal with them later. Now move to the generator. You're close. Oh no, the Cyberdog got to this sector. You'll have to deal with it.
On our list, the number 2 is Death Trigger 2. It is also the most popular zombie games out of the three, has been rounded for a long time, but it is still gets the regular updates, and the game comes with tons of unique missions and first person shooting machines. The game was released on 2013 of October, about 50 lakhs plus downloads from the Play Store. The game was developed by Modfinger Games, and they created and updating the game day by day. You will also find the hardware control support, tons of deadly weapons, and weekly missions. The graphic of the Death Trigger 2 are also really very good. If you are looking for a best zombie game, then gives you a shoot to the Death Trigger 2. I think you will totally love it.
Come on!
Hurry! Get in the car!
Then at number 3, the Into the Dead 2 is an impressive zombie game. which was basically an initiative or infinite running game. You will run as long as possible until you caught by the zombies and die. The game comes with tons of missions and challenges which will keep you engaged with the game. The game was released on October by the Pickpock Game Builder and downloaded about 10 lakh plus time from the internet. If you are looking for a casual zombie game, then you are going to love this game. So go and download it and install that game. Number 4 is Kill Shoot Virus. This game has been downloaded 5 lakhs plus time from the Play Store, was released on May 2017 by the company Hothead Games. This game relatively new zombie games and it is been the first person shooter game where you will shooting tons of zombie to kill them. The game come with more than 100 unique mission and you will be collecting tons of gear which will help you to improve the game and move forward the game. And moreover the game also comes with good controls, leaderboards and good graphics if you are looking for an alternative of the Dead Trigger 2. And then you should obviously try this kill shoot virus game and this will be your great option.
Get close, guys. We got more of those freaks.
I got this! Hey, wait!
Okay, weapon is ready. We're still surrounded. Clear the area.
We still gotta get to Alex!
In our list, the last one is Death Target, zombie offline action shooting game. The game was developed by the DMG Game Studio. It has a rating of 4.5 in the Play Store and about download of 50 million plus. The game is mainly relatively most likely as same as the Death Trigger 2. I mostly like this game because it is playable in any kind of device and mainly Android device. I'm sorry, Android device, any sort of that's no matter how is your ROM or RAM, anything. That's very enjoyable game. You have to shoot a tons of various kinds of zombies and you will also find some of the bosses of them. They are like big and something like that and you have an environment like there will be many, can be a hospital or can be a bunch of riverside area or something like a seaport, anything. There are zombies everywhere, you have to kill them. That's all.